Hello everyone, this is Teacher Juvie and I will be your guide for today's lesson.
Let's discuss solving routine and non-routine problems involving multiplication without or with addition or subtraction of decimals and whole numbers, including money. Let's study the given problem. Piolo and his friends ordered 2 chicken sandwiches, 3 cheeseburgers, and 1 ham and egg sandwich. How much did they pay? So, ito yung menu ng kanilang mga orders or ng kanilang in-order. So, yung cheeseburgers ay nagkakahalaga ng 25 pesos and 50 centavos. Then, yung chicken sandwiches naman ay nagkakahalaga ng 75 pesos and 25 centavos. Then, yung ham and egg sandwich naman ay nagkakahalaga ng 55 pesos and 75 centavos. So, ang tanong natin ngayon is magkano lahat ang kanilang binayaran? Again, when we solve a routine problem, we're going to use Polya's 4-step method. So, we have to understand first the problem by knowing what is asked and knowing the given facts. Then, second step is plan. So, determine the operation to be used and write the number sentence. Third step is solve, wherein you're going to show your solution. And the fourth step is to check and look back. Review and recheck your answer, then state your answer completely. Let's start to solve the problem using the first step, which is to understand. So, know what is asked. So, the amount of money did Piolo and his friends pay? So, ito yung hinahanap natin kung magkano ba ang kanilang binayaran doon sa kanilang mga in-order. Then, know the given facts. So, ito yung mga given facts. Yung cheeseburgers, umorder sila ng 2 chicken sandwiches, 3 cheeseburgers, and 1 ham and egg sandwich amounting 75 pesos and 25 centavos, 25 pesos and 50 centavos, and 55 pesos and 75 centavos respectively. So, we can now proceed on the third step, which is to plan. So, plan or determine the operation to be used. So, ang ating operation na gagamitin is multiplication and addition. Then, write the number sentence. So, bakit multiplication and addition? So, kailangan i-multiply muna natin yung piraso ng kanilang binili doon sa amount ng kanilang in-order. So, kagaya nito, yung 2, i-multiply natin sa 75 and 75 pesos and 25 centavos. Then, since 3 yung piraso ng binili nila, so i-multiply natin yon doon sa amount. So, 3 times 25 and 50 centavos. 25 pesos and 50 centavos. Then, since isa lang yung in-order nila, add lang natin yung 55 and 75. 55 pesos and 75 centavos equals N. Then, we can now solve the problem by showing the solution. So, ito yung ating number sentence. Isa-isahin nating isolve or ipakita yung ating solution. So, unahin natin itong solve for the amount of chicken sandwiches. Since 2 yung in-order nilang chicken sandwiches, so i-multiply natin yung amount ng chicken sandwiches doon sa kanilang in-order or piraso ng order nila. So, we have 75 and 25 hundredths times 2. So, in multiplying decimals, para lang tayong nagmo-multiply ng whole number, but we have to consider sa ating final answer yung decimal point, kung saan natin ilalagay yung ating decimal point. So, proceed tayo. 5 times 2 is 10, regroup 1. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1, 5. 5 times 2 is 10, regroup 1. And 7 times 2 is 14 plus 1, that is 15. Again, ilang decimal places ang inyong nakikita? So, merong dalawa. So, ilalagay natin ang ating decimal point dito sa ating or sa between 0 and 5. So, the answer now is 150 pesos and 50 centavos. Ito yung amount ng chicken or ng dalawang chicken sandwiches nila. So, proceed na tayo sa ating next solution wherein we're going to solve for the amount of cheeseburgers. So, since tatlo ang kanilang binili, imumultiply natin yon sa amount ng cheeseburger. So, multiplying decimals by a whole number. 0 times 3 is 0. 5 times 3 is 15. By group 1. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 1. 16. By group 1. And 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1. That is 7. Then, ilang decimal places ang inyong nakikita? Okay, dalawa. So, ilalagay natin ang decimal point sa pagitan ng 6 and 5. Lagyan natin ng peso sign. So, ang amount ngayon ng tatlong cheeseburgers ay 76 pesos and 50 centavos. So, let's now add for the total amount. So, meron tayong nakuhang 150 and 50 hundredths, 76 and 50 hundredths, and 55 and 75 hundredths. So, let's add. Tandaan yung pag-add ng decimal number, kailangang magkakapantay-pantay or magkakahanay ang kanilang mga decimal places sa tulong ng ating guide na decimal point. So, dapat pantay-pantay ang ating decimal places. Ang ating guide dyan is yung decimal point. So, add na natin. 0 plus 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 7, 17. Carry 1. 6 plus 5 is 11 plus 1. That is 12. Carry 1. And 5 plus 7 is 12 plus 5, 17 plus 1. That is 18. Carry 1. And 1 plus 1 is 2. Then, hindi natin bibilangin ng decimal places dito, kundi i-align lang natin kung saan nakahanay ang decimal point. So, dito, sa pagitan ng 2 and 7. So, ang ating total amount is 282 pesos and 75 centavos. So, let us check and look back. Review and recheck the answer. So, ang ating final answer is 282 pesos and 75 centavos is the amount of money that Piolo and his friends pay for their orders. Okay, so let's have some practice exercise para mahasa natin yung skills natin in solving a problem. So let us read and analyze this problem. Lorna earns 71 pesos and 75 centavos per hour for gardening. If she will work for 21 hours this month, then how much will she earn? So si Lorna, kumikita siya ng 71 pesos and 75 centavos per hour sa paggagardening. Kung siya ay magtatrabaho ng 21 hours sa isang buwan, magkano ngayon ang kanyang kikitain? So, let's solve. So, first step is understand the problem by answering what is asked in the problem. So, the amount of money Lorna will earn for 21 hours. So, yun yung ating hinahanap. Then, the given facts are 71 pesos and 75 centavos earnings per hour and working 21 hours. Second step is to plan. We're going to determine the operation that we will use, and that is multiplication. Then the number sentence will be 71 and 75 hundredths times 21 equals n. So, imumultiply natin yung kanyang kinikita per hour na 71 pesos and 75 centavos sa 21 hours. So, let's now solve for the solution. So, we will just multiply 71 and 75 hundredths times 21 to find the value of n. So, 71 and 75 times 21. So, una muna i-multiply natin itong 71 and 75 hundredths sa 1. So, makukuha natin is 7,175. Then, i-multiply ulit natin yung 71 and 7,500 sa 2. So, we will get 14,350. Then, we add the two partial products to get the final product. So, we will get 1,506 and 7,500. Okay, so the final answer will be 1,506 pesos and 75 centavos is the total earnings of Lorna in a month.
Thanks for watching this video. Hit like if you learned from this video and don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Thank you so much.